Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm just showing you how great this camera is on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Stability and everything. I'll try to throw in some clips as well versus my old phone, which was a 6, so of course it's older. It's not going to be as good, but just wanted to show you here just the attention to detail as you zoom in here. Look at this. I mean, you look at the details here. You can really go in. Okay, so there's kind of focusing in, and then on top of that, now we can zoom optically. Okay, so there's 3x zoom. There's the 5. There's 7x zoom right there. So look at how close you can get. You can use this as a magnifying glass. Okay, that's amazing. Here's a model car. Look at the color. This is unlike anything from my last phone. Let's go in here. Let's look at the detail here. And this is an auto art, so it's a very detailed car. And I feel bad, look at the dust. I need to clean it now. But look at this kind of detail zooming in on the radiator cap and the battery. Even going deeper, look at that. And it's very stable as I'm moving it because this phone has a much more stable optical on it. You may know it's the sensor that moves and not so much the lens. Okay, now we're getting a little pixelated here, of course. This is a cologne bottle. The color is just fantastic. That's the first thing that jumps out at me. And so you can tap on these one at a time if you want. It has options for 1, 2.5. Okay. It's amazing. I can zoom in more than I need to. I can zoom in so far, that's 7x right there. And still stable considering it's zoomed in so far. See a little pixelation, of course, when it's that far in. But anyway, just wanted to show you a few things here to give you an idea for color and depth and everything that you can see. Okay, here it is on my 6, my iPhone 6. Okay, what you can tell right now is we're not getting a lot of detail due to the lighting. Let's come in here and show you. I mean, it'll focus okay. Okay, and then let's zoom in. Now, on this one, we're zooming all digital zoom, and that's it. No optical zoom on the 6. I mean, it's still nice. A lot better than this iTouch 4 was. Okay, let's look at this car though. See how the color of it just isn't, it starts to turn almost a yellowish color as we're looking at it. Okay, that's full zoom right there. That's as far as it's gonna go. And that's full zoom there. Okay, here we are inside of my Cobra, and here's the thing is, this is the 1x zoom. This is normal. This is how it would always look on my other phone. It's going to help so much to have this 0.5 zoom like this. I'm going to be able to see so much better, record so much better, and I'm already loving the yellow. It's really hard to get yellow on a camera, and we'll go outside at golden hour and let you show you, but anyway. Colors are already looking good. Low light is looking great compared to the other phone. Okay, here's a problem that I'm going to have. Here's my 6. I love putting it right there. And now we're going to have a moment of truth and see if the iPhone 12 Pro Max is going to fit there. And then with a case, it'll have an even harder time. But let's see if it even fits. It's not going to fit. So it is not going to fit in the cup holder. From now on, I'm going to have this just in my pocket or something else. But there's one thing that's going to be a lot more difficult right now. Okay, here we are on the 6, and man, look at it. The color looks zinc yellow, okay? And zinc yellow, that's okay. But I love screaming yellow. I bought this car specifically to be screaming yellow. So the color definitely on the other phone's better. So here we are. You can see, you can still see it's not quite as good as the other phone. Okay, look at the comparison here. My goodness. And then go back to one zoom to make it like exactly the same. See the color difference? See the night difference? The low light setting is huge for my channel and everything that I do on cars underneath the car. No matter how bright the garage is, underneath the car it's still dark. Look at this, I can see so much better. So yeah, there's a side-by-side comparison. See the difference with the yellows? See the difference with how dark it is on one compared to the other? This camera is amazing on the 12 Pro Max. Okay, here's my office view. I'm uploading the video for YouTube right now on the review of the phone. And so here's the view from my office, and I love those mountains. I'm going to zoom in on those as far as it'll go. And again, this is all digital zoom. Okay, so that's what I can see with my iPhone 6. Okay, we'll zoom out a little bit. Okay, here we are recording again in the office. And just look at the color. I love the view from here. It's so gorgeous. And this phone definitely captures it more of what it really looks like. I'm going to zoom into these mountains here. So there's 3x, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So of course that's way zoomed in as far as it's going to go. But look at the mountain range from here. Look at how much more I can see. And of course, when you're all the way zoomed in, it's obviously going to be a little bit less stable. But let's just go back to that view right there.